Hello sisters and brothers, let's get into the review of FACECOVER. Okay, so FACECOVER is such kind of tool which will show you what I am doing now. Okay, so one of the strategies I am following now. Okay, so I have this is a tutorial course. Let me just clear you from firstly that this is not a software, but this is a tutorial course, and you can say this is a front preview of this tutorial course. So you can see this there is a video given which is introduction video, and from the second video they are starting the strategies, the offer, the keyword search demo. If I have click on the keyword search demo, there is also a video given and the channel setup, and basically this tool is totally based on how you can utilize the most powerful method, the most powerful earning from the internet while not showing your face. Okay, so this is the main purpose of this tool, that how you can earn money from the internet totally invisible. Okay, so this is the main thing of this tool, and you will get also so many bonuses with this. Let me just clear you what are the bonuses. Okay, so bonus ranking course, bonus course, I don't know what are the bonuses, the topic of the bonuses. Okay, so there are so many bonuses, the invisible, and let me click on the never before explore. Okay, let me click on the library. So I don't know if the bonuses are free or not, I don't know exactly. Okay, let me just leave it. Let me just stick to the tool or the tutorial. Okay, so this is the tutorial, and this is all about how you can get money not showing your face, because these days people are so many people are not so much comfortable before the camera. They always have camera shyness. Okay, so that's why also they have made, and they have just given and just made and just make a tutorial course about how not to show your face, and rather you can get also earn a good money from the internet. Okay, so this is the main purpose of this tool, and one of the strategies I am following now, as I have told you that I am making this video, you are watching on the YouTube, but I have not shown my face. Okay, and this is one of the strategies I am following, but there are so many strategies maybe I am not following also. Okay, so they are giving you also all of the strategies. Okay, so this was a member area, and just now let me show you the bonuses which I am giving you totally free. The bonus value is $6,397 custom bonuses, which will be given to you from my side totally free once you have brought the main product from my side. I will show you the cost and what are the ratings, and if you should buy it or not. Okay, I will tell you everything. So I have gone through the content value. The content value is very much good, and that's why I have given 98%, and the market hits is 90% because they have not created so many ads. Okay, so the overall it has got 9.7% because I never consider market hits in this overall section. Okay, so the value for money is also good because this value is really very cheap. Okay, it is only $9, and this is the pricing plan. If you are running out, then you can just use this coupon code. This last chance is a coupon code. I will make it in an inverted comma. Okay, so I will make it this is a coupon code, last chance. Okay, you can use this if you are running out of time. Okay, if you are getting it at the last hour. Okay, so what is FACECOVER? I have mentioned here inside FACECOVER how you can use this, and these are all of the tutorials they have given, and they will just show you how can you get the passive money not showing your face, how you can work from background, and also you can earn a good money. Okay, so many marketers, so many people made brand value showed their face not before, but gradually they showed their face at certain time, and at a certain level they have not showed their reveal their face, but they were also making a good money. So that will be taught to you by this product owner, and he made a tutorial course, and it will show you how you can invisibly or work on internet and also make a good money. Okay, So this is the buttons, and I have also given here 3 buttons also from where you can get the software and the bonuses, okay, which will be given from my side. So this is the sales funnel. This is the front end product, and the upsell one is named FACECOVER Pro, and you can go through the description where you can click the video description link. You will be redirected to this page and you can check it by yourself. Okay, so this is the Upsell 2 FACECOVER money machine, and the Upsell 3 is FACECOVER license right. Upsell 4 is private coaching 197. Let me just give a short speech that this software is about not showing your face but getting a good money, earning a good money from internet. Okay, so this is the main purpose of this software, of this tool. Okay, so now let me show you the bonuses which I am giving you, why I am making this video. The main purpose of making this video is to show you the bonuses. Okay, so these are the bonuses. You can see I am scrolling down. Some of the bonuses have given only image, but some of them are given a short description and also an image. Okay, so after 50 bonuses I have put here 270 plus bonuses as mega bonuses, cause people has these days lesser reading span, and also people, the time is really more valuable than price. I always believe in that. That's why I have put here 270 plus bonuses as mega bonuses, which are stuffed with totally softwares, PDF, plugins, case studies, video case studies, and also good SEO things. Okay, SEO software, SEO plugins, and which will be given to you from my site totally free once you have buy it from my site. Okay, so I want to show you the bonuses, and I have showed to you, and I also covered up the review, what is the software and who should buy this. I just recommend that anyone who want to earn money, earn a moderate money from online and not showing their face, they can easily afford this, because this is really very much cheap, and this tutorial are so much valuable. Okay, so after purchasing this product you will be redirected to a page where you can get the blue button. Okay, you will be get this blue button, and which is named as access affiliate bonuses. You can click this button, you will be redirected to the bonuses. Okay, if you buy it from my side. Let me clear you. Okay, so this was the review of FACECOVER. I am signing out for the day, so bye bye.